Alright, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí part 2 text animation. Now, ibi báyìí ni a stop sí ní ẹ̀kan. In tí mo fẹ́ ṣe ń sìn ni pé mo fẹ́ fi voice sínú slide. Mo fẹ́ fi voice, ẹ má gbàgbé pé text animation oní tàn sí. Mo fẹ́ fi voice sí orí slide. Mo máa click lórí voice. Ó máa bí mi léèrè pé ṣé text over mo fẹ́ lò ní àbí, but mi tí ní any text kankan tí mo fẹ́ lò níbí báyìí. Of course mo lè record straight away tó bá jẹ́ pé mo bá fẹ́ lo my own voice, but I don't want to do that. So mo fẹ́ lo text online. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi hàn wá báwo la ṣe lè lo online text. Now àwọn website oríṣiríṣi ló wà tí a lè convert text lọ sí voice. Lára wọn ní texttovoice.org, but àwọn míì náà wà tó jẹ́ pé a lè lò. In tí mo kọ yẹn ẹ jẹ́ kí n rọra copy ẹ̀ sí bíbáyìí. Mo ti copy ẹ̀ sí bíbáyìí sìn. Now so mo máa choose ke voice ta mo fẹ́ voice obìnrin, but English mo fẹ́ English UK British. Mo fẹ́ English UK British. Then ẹ jẹ́ kí n wò bó ṣe máa rí convert to text.
Castor is a plant that produces seeds, beans. Castor oil is produced by pressing ripe seeds that have had their outer covering, hull, removed. The hull contains a deadly poison called ricin. Castor oil has been used as medicine for centuries.
Wow, excellent. That's exactly what I want. Of course, there are a lot of things. Actually, once it be settings, say if I just go one normally, fasting, fasting, or some other things. But Boseri, I like it exactly like this. Now, I just can click lórí download. Mo máa download audio yìí nsìn. So, in tí mo wá sí ni pé ó ti máa wà lọ́ndà download báyìí. In tí mo wá sí ni pé mo máa padà wá sí Powtoon. Ẹ click lórí audio, then add voiceover. So mo fẹ́ mú láti inú computer mi. So ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ wọnú download this it. In tó ṣe download ń sìn yẹn ni. Then open. Then ó máa sọ pé current slide, yes, current slide mo ti fẹ́ lò. Then mo dẹ̀ máa click use. Tẹ́ bá wò ń sìn, ẹ máa rí pé picture yẹn is actually, ẹ máa rí pé voice is actually 14 seconds. It's 14 seconds. Now, but the size in Biba Intimonising is 10 seconds. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n play rẹ̀ káwò wò ṣe máa rí.
Castor is a plant that produces seeds, beans. Castor oil is produced by pressing ripe seeds that have had their outer covering, hull, removed. The hull.
Now, ẹ máa rí pé kí ni yóò play tán. So mo kàn ní láti increase ẹ̀ Biba lọ sí bí ìdó jẹ́ kí 14 seconds ni ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi 1 second sí extra. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún play nsìn.
Castor is a plant that produces seeds, beans. Castor oil is produced by pressing ripe seeds that have had their outer covering, hull, removed. The hull contains a deadly poison called ricin. Castor oil has been used as medicine for centuries.
Wow, excellent. So that's exactly what I want. So, but presently, intimo machine ni pé ẹ jẹ́ kí n add one more slide. So ká fi conclude video yìí. So slide tí mo fẹ́ add again, mo fẹ́ lo the same background. Mo fẹ́ lo the same background. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti 0. So a lè lo characters. Àwọn character wà níbí báyìí tó jẹ́ pé free, tó jẹ́ pé a máa, tó jẹ́ tí a lè lò. So tí wọ́n dẹ̀ make sense. Alright, so mo kàn máa click lórí character. Then ó máa gbé wá fún mi which type of, so which one ó ní mo fẹ́ lò nínú character tó ti wà níbí báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n click lórí the first one. So then àwọn ilé ìtẹ́ bá ti lè rí pé ó kọ pro sí, ó mì pé èèyàn máa need láti sanwó fún àwọn yẹn nìyẹn. But àwọn ilé tó jọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ náà wà níbẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé kò nídìí kí èèyàn ó sanwó. Okay, fàpèjúwe ká ní a bá fẹ́ lo something like this. Ilé tó jẹ́ kó máa show happy. Alright. Now, so mo lè flip ẹ̀, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ó kọjú sí side bí báyìí. Alright, mo flip ẹ̀. Then the next thing tí mo fẹ́ ṣe ni pé a tún lè lo shape. There are a lot of things tó jẹ́ pé a lè lò bí báyìí. So ó depend lórí creativity wa. Now, mo click lórí shape. So shape tí mo máa lò bí báyìí ni ẹ jẹ́ kí n wo eléyìí. So ẹ jẹ́ kí n lo shape rẹ̀. So mo kàn máa make it bigger and mo dẹ̀ lè kọ̀ọ̀kan sínú ẹ̀ pé thanks for watching. In tí mo fẹ́ kọ síbẹ̀. So now the first thing tí màá kọ sí before kí n tó kọ thanks for watching ó ní pé ẹ jẹ́ n sáré change the colour ẹ̀. So perhaps bóyá colour white or any other colour. So ẹ jẹ́ kí n lo colour yìí. So then mo dẹ̀ máa wá síbi text. So mo fẹ́ kọ sí pé thanks for watching. So thanks for watching. alright, then mo lè change eléyìí sí color white, so mo dẹ̀ máa gbé sí àárín gbùngbùn. Alright, now so I can play around with báwo mo ti fẹ́ jẹ́ kí lè o appear, so mo kàn máa click lórí settings, so kí ni animation tí mo fẹ́ fún, then kí ni effect. So there are a lot of things here. Maybe mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kó appear from left, is going to be the first person. Say is going to be the first thing to appear. Ó máa appear at be 1.5 seconds. Then after that ó bá appear, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí thanks for watching kó no appear, but shape yẹn mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ jẹ́ kó appear first. Báwo ni shape yẹn ṣe máa appear? At 3 seconds kó no wá from top. Then at 5 seconds mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí thanks, the text tí mo kọ yẹn thanks bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe rí bí báyìí, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ó appear báyìí, bóyá kí ó fi ọwọ́ kọ, okay, hand, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ó fi ọwọ́ kọ, okay, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kó appear nìyẹn. Ó yẹ jẹ́ kí n try rẹ̀ wá. Okay, excellent. Now so finally a máa rí pé gbogbo tó wà níbí báyìí ń sìn kì í tí ju wíwá bíi 5 seconds lọ, so mo kàn lè delete so the remaining size. Then ibi báyìí ń sìn mo tún lè generate another thing, kí n kàn sọ pé thanks for watching this tutorial. So ẹ jẹ́ kí n generate a sound, convert.
Thanks for watching this tutorial.
Alright, ẹ jẹ́ kí n download there. Then afterwards mo máa wá síbi sound, then voiceover, then mo máa upload voice. So this is the voice. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n upload there. Ó máa bi mí léèrè pé no, this just only slide. Then ẹ jẹ́ kí n play it. How does it look like?
Thanks for watching this tutorial.
Thanks for watching this tutorial. Alright, now so this just only 3 slides tí mo máa create so ní inú tutorial yìí, but there are a lot of things tó jẹ́ pé a lè ṣe ń bí báyìí. Now the next thing tí a máa ṣe ń sìn ni pé ẹ jẹ́ ká preview ká dé export, preview and export. This is how it's going to look like.
Castor is a plant that produces seeds, beans. Castor oil is produced by pressing ripe seeds that have had their outer covering, hull, removed. The hull contains a deadly poison called ricin. Castor oil has been used as medicine for centuries. Thanks for watching this tutorial.
Now, nínú part 3 video yìí, nǹkan tí mo máa ṣe òun náà ni pé mo máa kọ́ wa báwo ni a ṣe lè remove Powtoon logo. Logo yìí, it doesn't look nice at all. Kò look nice. Tí n bá click lórí edit nsìn, ẹ jẹ́ ká wò bó ṣe máa rí. So kò look nice at all. So báwo la ṣe lè remove kíní ìkúnbẹ̀. So mo máa kọ́ wa nínú third part of this, nínú part 3 video yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, next time so mo máa tún ṣe video lórí how to design a professional website. Then báwo la ṣe lè design e-commerce, báwo la ṣe lè gbé àwọn nǹkan tá a bá ń ṣe, báwo la ṣe lè gbé sí online. So ẹ má gbàgbé láti like video yìí kẹ́kẹ́ subscribe so that ẹ fi lè get the notification every time tí n bá ti upload new video. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.